Hello and welcome back to the Cooking with Ruth YouTube channel. You have seen those ingredients and I foreshadowed this episode on the last episode. So this is the one that was yet foretold. This is homemade potato salad. Have you ever been to a cookout? It's summertime, people are having cookouts, folks are gathering, graduation parties. What are you gonna take as your dish to pass? Once you learn how to make this, I'm guaranteeing that wherever you show up, your container will be empty at the end of the event. We are making homemade potato salad like my mama used to make and my Aunt Lily. Today on Cooking with Ruth. All right, so the key again to this Cooking with Ruth recipe for homemade potato salad is in fact the preparation. So here I have 5 good eggs and one that decided he wanted to misbehave. I have a half a large onion, finely chopped. I have a stalk and a half, large stalk and a half of celery, finely chopped. I have about a half a cup of sweet pickle relish. In the ugly biscuit pan, I have 10 chopped, salted, and boiled medium to large Yukon Gold potatoes. So you can use whatever potatoes you want, but what I do is I peel them, I chop them, salt them, and boil them. Once they start boiling, I boil for about 25 minutes or until they become tender with the fork, and then I strain the water off, set them in the ugly biscuit pan, and allow them to cool off. So that's all happened, and I'm going to show you how to put everything together to make some of this potato salad like my mama used to make. It will change your life, and we're going to show you how to do it today on the Cooking with Ruth show. But Cooking with Ruth, way to mustard at. Actually, that's a great point. The Cooking with Ruth potato salad recipe is non-Mustardian. That means it is deliberately and intentionally and blatantly mustard free. That's the Cooking with Ruth word of the week, non-Mustardian. So we are ready to start putting this potato salad together. I wanted to just cover a couple of things before we get started though. So for my onions and my celery, for this potato salad, I finally chopped them with a knife. I went through the work and the effort of doing it because I like doing it. And I feel like also there's less waste. When my mother used to make this potato salad, she would grate her celery, she'd grate the onions. I don't know if you've ever tried grating an onion, but celery has like these strings in it that kind of curl up and peel off, and onions is hard once you kind of get to the end of it, you know, the layers start separating. So I find personally that chopping it with a knife is how I prefer to do it. In addition, if you have a food processor, you can put your celery and your onions in there, and you could just, pulverize it, pulse it a few times until you get the right size level for you. The thing that I like to highlight about recipes is really you have the autonomy to do whatever you want to do. Maybe you like big celery chunks. Maybe you like big onion pieces. Maybe you like big pieces of egg in yours. You can make this recipe however you want. I'm showing you how I like to do it, which is smaller celery, smaller onions, and then I'm gonna grate my eggs. So we start off by combining the onions, the celery, the sweet pickle relish, the eggs, and the mayo. And then we'll add the potatoes to it, stir it in, and then we'll sprinkle that top with a little bit of paprika at the end to give it a little bit of color. And man, after that, we ready to rock and roll. All right, in my large bowl, I'm going to put my celery in here. And this doesn't really have to be done in any particular order at this point, just whatever you want to do. Put my onions in there. Just try to make sure I'm getting all of it out of there. Okay, we're gonna add the sweet pickle relish to it. Okay, and then we're going to grate our eggs. So again, I said I like my eggs a little smaller, so we'll just go ahead and grate these eggs in there. And we got that one that just wanted, they just wanted to act out. He went into egg detention. The yolk came out the whole 9 yards. He was just acting a fool in here. But we're gonna put him in there too. We're gonna grate him up just like we're doing the other ones. Boom. All right, we got all that in. All right, then we'll do a little area cleanup here. Clean as we go, and we'll be right back with you and continue putting this together. Hey man, where's my apron? That's much better. All right, so we have put the onions, the celery, and the sweet pickle relish into the bowl. Now we're gonna add our mayonnaise. This is probably gonna be about, I'll say a cup and a quarter. And then we'll just kind of give this a stir and get that mayonnaise well mixed into the eggs, the celery, the onions, and that sweet pickle relish. I'm telling you, man, this combination of flavors, man, and potato salad, most people who have it for the first time, they're just like, man, that's good. We're gonna come in with our potatoes and we're gonna enter those into the mix from the ugly biscuit pan. So these potatoes, again, have been salted, boiled. Obviously they were peeled and cubed up, and then they were allowed to cool. So they're nice and room temperature right now. And we just put those in the mix, and then we're gonna stir those in. Again, this is 10 Yukon Gold potatoes. You can use your favorite potato. Hey, I like white potatoes. Hey, perfect, have at it. I only use red skin. Hey, do your thing. On the Cooking with Ruth channel with my potato salad, I like those Yukon Gold potatoes. You see that starting to come together, man? That looks like potato salad, man. This is what you want to take to the graduation party. This is what you want to take to the cookout, man. You imagine, you know, somebody said, yeah, I'm inviting you to my graduation party. What are you gonna bring? And you hear somebody saying, go down there to the deli and get me a half gallon of that potato salad. Bruh. Once you learn how to do this, that becomes a thing of the past. I'm a person that believes that liquids need to be sold in quarts and gallons, not something with some clumps in it. Potato salad by the quart? Ugh. On Cooking with Ruth show, we're teaching you how to make it for yourself. All right, so I like to kind of level it out. It looks a little bit processed when you do that. You can leave it as rough as you want to. I'll come back and I'll kind of clean some of that off of the sides. Then we'll sprinkle some of that paprika on the top, and we'll show you what that finished product looks like. Hey folks, if you are getting anything out of the Cooking with Ruth YouTube channel, please like my video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that when Cooking with Ruth, that's me, puts out new content on YouTube, you will be first to know. Please share, and I thank you for being here with me in my show today. All right, so we've come back, we've kind of cleaned up the edges of the bowl a little bit. Obviously, when you're taking this somewhere, maybe if you're serving it to your family, you don't have to be quite as careful, but you'll want to kind of clean it up. You want to make sure that you're presenting it well, because all of that factors into how someone perceives your dish and ultimately how it tastes to them. So we got it all cleaned up here. Now I'm going to just come back and add a little bit of paprika to the top, and it just gives it that color, gives it that little bit of color. adds that contrast. And my paprika ain't really spreading as perfectly as I want it to, but we're gonna go with that. And that is that homemade potato salad like my mama used to make. All right, we have reached the grand finale of the episode that was yet foretold. The potato salad like my mama used to make. So let me get in here and get a scoop out of this potato salad. We're gonna just put it in a little bowl here. So we're gonna try a little bit of that. Get off that spoon. All right, then I'm gonna grab me another utensil to eat with, and we're gonna give this potato salad like my mama used to make a try. Summer, summer, summertime. That tastes like summer. Thank you for joining me today for homemade potato salad like my mama used to make on Cooking with Ruth.